In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw a summer tree. I'm starting out by overlining the base to see where my tree is gonna go and draw some straight lines to make the tree consistent. Then I drew the leaves, and between the leaves and the trunk I'm drawing some sticks that connect the trunk to the leaves. Now that I'm done with the basic shapes that I drew with the pencil, I'm gonna overline it with a marker and then erase the pencil. Then I'm drawing some other details to leaves. And now I'm erasing the pencil sketch. Now that I'm done with the line art, I'm going to color it in summer colors. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more weekly videos.